We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you.
I've been going to Dr. Martin for 7 to 10 years and would never trust anyone else with my eyes. He is very personable and an all-around good guy, as well as very thorough and open. Even though you only see him once or twice a year, he remembers you and your situation. And he is not a pushy salesman, but his eyeglasses are priced competitive, and most importantly, correct, unlike going to places in the mall. I've never had to wait more than 5 to 10 minutes to see him, and he spends a good amount of time with you. I highly recommend his services.
We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in turn, we receive incredible loyalty. See, and you'll be amazed. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.